Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be another clean with me to give you all some motivation, hopefully, as well as I'm showing you some plants that I recently picked up from Home Depot and some other plants that I decided to repot in my home because they were outgrowing the pot that I originally put them in. So it's a fun video. I hope you guys are excited. So we're going to go ahead and get started cleaning in the kitchen. So as always, I'm just going to start by unloading and reloading the dishwasher and then moving on to wiping down the countertops.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So to clean my oven, I always use this degreaser. It's from Target, and it's really good at just removing any stuck on grime. And then of course I use my cleaning kit, which came with this little kitchen razor, and it just really helps to get any kind of food that's been sticking onto your glass top off. And there's some things that I thought were like permanently gonna stay on there, and until I use this razor they wouldn't come off. So this whole kit is $4.99 I think with the razor at Walmart, so I highly recommend that if you have a glass cooktop.
See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
So in our bedroom, I was going to wash our duvet cover, insert, and the sheets and just put it all back on because, as most of y'all know, I have a lot of dogs that like to sleep on my bed or get up there. So it gets really dirty really easily. But the good thing about having a white duvet comforter is I can just throw it in with a little bit of bleach and it comes out nice and clean every time. So the next few clips are just going to be me in my bedroom just tidying up. It was really messy, just like clothes and stuff I needed to put away. So some of these clips are just little random things, like I'm putting away my new Fabletics clothes that I got a couple weeks ago, as well as just tidying up things around the floor, and then we're going to start vacuuming our bedroom. So now my living room, it is pretty messy because it had cushions for my outdoor chairs inside because it was raining this day. It was actually not that pretty of a day. It was really like, it would be sunny for like 30 minutes and then it would be super windy and looked like it was about to storm the next 30 minutes. So just to be safe, I brought my cushions inside and I went ahead and vacuumed the complete living room and tried to vacuum underneath the rug. There was a lot of debris that got kicked up under there that I needed to clean up. I decided to put the rug that was in our entryway away just because it was a tripping hazard and it always got moved when someone came over. So I just dumped all the stuff out of it. It was so nasty and it had a lot of like little pieces of stuff from the outside. So I wanted to show you guys what all I was having to vacuum up. Now to tidy up the couch, I'm still working on my throw pillow situation. I kind of like the side to the right, but the side to the left I'm not that pleased with. So I found some really cute pillow covers from wovennook.com. I've never shopped there before, but if any of you guys have, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I always like to start my essential oil diffuser. I always diffuse lemon and eucalyptus. It's my all-time favorite scent and it really freshens up the scent in my house. My new favorite way to fold dish towels is this like cylindrical way. It just makes them so much easier and it saves so much room inside my drawer. So I highly recommend folding your dish towels this way if you have the same problem like me. And the next thing I want to show you guys is my new electric lighter. It's rechargeable, so you never have to buy a new lighter again. And it was only like $12 on Amazon, so I can link that for you guys down below. So now we are moving on to repotting my fiddle leaf fig. I've had it, I think 2 years now, and it was starting to look like it wasn't doing very well, so I thought I was going to have to toss it. And then all of a sudden, it just started growing all these new leaves, so it gave me so much hope in it. We're going to repot him today in this new planter from Target. It was only $8, and it's a self-watering planter, so it really just helps the plant control how much water it's getting so you don't overwater it. And I feel like that's key, especially with the fiddle leaf, because you need to water them at least once a week, but I can never tell how much I'm actually giving them. So I can link that planter down below too. I think for $8, it's so worth it. Decent mess when I was doing this. I probably should have done it outside, but it was a really easy cleanup once I actually got the majority up. I just took my real big vacuum cleaner and vacuumed all the excess up. Something I want to take the time to do is to really wipe down all the leaves, like to mist them and wipe them down, because so much dust and stuff accumulates on the leaves of your plants that you don't even realize until you start wiping them. Like I was wiping stuff off and it was like black or brown, so I highly recommend doing this maybe at least once a month. I don't know if you're supposed to do it sooner. I'm definitely not a pro when it comes to taking care of plants, but just sharing some tips that I've learned along the way. Same thing as far as wiping down leaves with my birds of paradise. This plant has been doing really well, and I actually ended up putting this one in my bedroom since I repotted my fiddle leaf into a basket. I left that one in the living room, so just to switch them up and see if they do any better or worse, and then I'll know which room they need to go back into. I get asked all the time how I keep my house so clean when almost everything's white. Like I have white cabinets, and my secret to everything, it's not even a secret, it's just using a magic eraser. Magic erasers get literally anything off, no matter how old it's been on there or how long it's been on there. And I always, like, once a month take a magic eraser and just go over all my cabinets, because it gets so many things off you don't even necessarily notice on a day-to-day basis, and makes them look much cleaner when you're done. So it's the next day, and I wanted to show you guys a little DIY pot I was going to make. So I had a bunch of these just random terracotta pots that I wanted to spice up. So I just did this real quick, and it turned out pretty cute. So I painted it white, and then I'm going to just splatter some black paint on it. My splatters didn't turn out the best. Like, they're kind of concentrated in certain areas where I usually wouldn't prefer that look, but it's fine. I think it looks really cute in the end, and I ended up planting a plant. It's called a polka dot plant in it, and I love it. I think it's so cute. And then I also got another pothos plant. Love these kind. They're so hard to kill, so that's really good if it's your first house plant, and they can pretty much thrive in any condition, and they don't require that much attention or anything. So I love these plants, and I love to buy these for my home. So that is all I have for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know if you have any favorite houseplants that I should check out. And I hope you all are staying healthy and well, and I'll see you in my next video.